Welcome to ZaranTech. Thank you for taking the time to join today's session on Snowflake, the cloud-based data warehouse. I will be your presenter for today, and I'm excited to share what Snowflake is, how it works, and why organizations are choosing it as their data warehouse solution. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick disclaimer. The materials in this video are provided for informational purposes only. It's your responsibility to comply with copyright laws. No part of this document may be reproduced without permission, except for fair use. Images from open sources are used for illustration only and cannot be used for promotional purposes without consent. Today's session will cover the following topics. First, we will discuss an overview of what Snowflake is. Then we'll look at how Snowflake works and its unique architecture. Following that, we'll review some of the key pros of using Snowflake as your data warehouse. By the end of our time together, you should have a strong understanding of this cloud-based data warehouse solution and why it has become so popular. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse founded in 2012. It derives its name from the shared love of snow and skiing by its founders. Snowflake allows you to use the elastic compute and storage capabilities of cloud providers like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure to build your data warehouse. Rather than managing your own hardware and software infrastructure, Snowflake handles all of that for you in a secure and scalable manner. One of the key things that differentiates Snowflake from other data warehouse solutions is its unique architecture, which we'll cover in more detail later. But at a high level, Snowflake pioneered what's called elastic parallel processing or EPP. This allows it to scale resources up and down independently and on demand based on workload needs. In addition to being cloud-based from the beginning on AWS, Snowflake has expanded its capabilities. In 2018 it launched support for Microsoft Azure, allowing customers to choose the cloud provider that best fits their specific needs or requirements. Both the AWS and Azure versions of Snowflake run identical code and provide the same features and functionality. Snowflake utilizes a radical new approach called elastic parallel processing or EPP that delivers incredible scale, flexibility and easier data management. We'll dive deeper into how Snowflake's unique architecture works in the next few slides. Traditional data warehouses use massively parallel processing or MPP architectures where data is distributed across a cluster of machines. While Snowflake incorporates elements of MPP, it has taken things a step further with its elastic parallel processing model. Let's discuss the key differences between MPP and Snowflake's EPP approach. EPP stands for Elastic Parallel Processing. Snowflake pioneered this concept, which has some advantages over traditional MPP. With EPP, Snowflake can start and stop individual compute clusters within seconds to instantly scale resources up or down based on workload demands. It also maintains a shared pool of data that any cluster can access, providing great flexibility. To truly understand how Snowflake delivers on its promises, it's important to examine its unique architecture. Let's take a look at the key components that enable Snowflake to operate in this elastic, cloud-native manner. We've covered a lot about what Snowflake is and how it works, but why are more and more companies choosing it as their data warehouse? What are some of the key advantages and pros? Let's review a few reasons why Snowflake has become so popular. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope this session provided a good overview of Snowflake and why it has emerged as a leading cloud data warehouse solution. Please let me know if you have any other questions. And be sure to check out our other educational resources and videos on our website. Thanks again.